Okay, so for this video, I'm going to teach you how to create your Google account or Gmail account. So let's type in gmail.com and then to create an account, just choose this link, gumawa ng account, instead of putting an email here. Because this box will take you to the login process, but this button here will take you to creating your Google account. You just need to choose kung para sa sarili ko or para sa negosyo. So for this one, let's choose para sa sarili ko. And then type in your first name. So my name is Kat and last name Rivera. And then I will create a professional Gmail account by putting my real name. Okay, so Catherine Rivera. There, and then I have to choose a password. So let's go to our password generator and let's just choose 8 and generate password, and then copy this and then click enter your password here. Okay, don't forget to save your password. Okay, if you want to check your password, kung tama yung na-type nyo or yung na-copy nyo, just click this checkbox. Ipakita ang password. Okay, so if you're already okay with this, click yung susunod na button. And then you need to, actually this is optional, putting the number here. The reason why kailangan natin ilagay yung mobile number is in case we need to recover our account, dito isi-send ni Google yung code. And this one is for the alternative email address. If you have a different email address other than Google, or you have a different Google account, you can use that here. Okay, so since this is optional, you don't have to, but if you want more security for your account, you have to put your alternative email and mobile number. Okay, so I will skip this one and then continue on choosing my birthday. Okay, then kasarian, then click susunod, and then you have to read the privacy policy, but since I already have a Gmail account, then I will just click the sumang-ayon ako or agree if you have the English version. Okay, signing up. Just wait. And here, I already have successfully created my Google account. Okay, so it will just take some time for it to create your account. So medyo, I'm not sure, depende sa internet connection. Medyo matagal yung pag-load niya, pero hintayin nyo lang hanggang lumabas to. Okay, that's it.